Brayden, did you guys have a little issue out on the farm yesterday?
That was at Wyatt's house,
Oh, yeah.
and that wasn't our problem. I don't know what happened.
All right, so we're gonna go right to Amplify 2.7. I am gonna share my screen with you.
Mr. Richards,
What?
are you going to keep us the whole 30 minutes?
I hope so. Maybe 45.
No,
No.
that cuts into lunchtime again.
I'm leaving at 30.
Oh, you think so?
12:30, I'm leaving.
Yeah, I'm leaving
so
too because I have to go on a scavenger hunt.
Me too.
Okay. Now I don't have to listen to you anymore. Okay, on the warm-up. Look back at the key concepts that you've learned during this unit, then answer the questions below. Okay, the questions are, and I expect you to do this. I don't want to like look back after our, meeting and like you haven't done this. So you should be doing this as we're talking about it. So pick one of the key concepts that you understand well and explain it in a way that an elementary school student could understand. So pick one of those bulleted points and explain it in your own words, like if you're going to talk to a first or second grader. I think she took one bag in the fridge.
There's two. Well, Catch gets these ones. The next one's mine. If she wants them, she's gonna have to get these two. Because that's all I see.
All right, so looking at that, who can share how they reworded theirs? What key concept they picked and how they reworded? Go ahead, don't be shy. Who's going? Raise your hand. Who wants to go? All right, I'm just going to pick on somebody. Danny, you're up. What key concept did you pick?
I chose that the light from the sun travels in straight lines.
Okay. So how are you going to reword that for elementary? How are you going to explain that to an elementary student?
I compared it to a flashlight
Oh, okay.
and how the flashlight's light only travels in straight lines and it stops when it hits a wall.
Very good. Okay, next one, pick a key concept that's confusing to you and record a question below that you would need answered in order to better understand it. Volunteers? If I just spin the wheel and not show you the wheel and just pretend it picked you. Oh, picked Hayden.
Give me a second. My Amplify doesn't want to load.
Oh, see how you are. Want us to pick somebody else, or are we waiting still?
Yeah, pick somebody else. It doesn't load. It's
All
not.
right. Let me spin the wheel again. Sam. Which of those key concepts is confusing, and what would you need to know?
I said where'd it go? From Earth, we can only see half of the moon that is facing us.
Okay.
I said, but the moon isn't always lit up.
Okay. So the moon is, right, only half of it's lit up all the time. Okay, if you look at the next part, you're going to be divided into groups. You should have a different separate color. You should be either in the blue group and do those things real quick. If you haven't done, great. If you haven't have them done yet, get them done right now, because I'm going to call on you here in a second. So 3 pages on the blue group, or you're in the purple group. Or you're in the green group. Any questions on your group, or did I not assign you to a group? I think I did, but. Okay. You're muted on my side, so if you have a question, then just try to get my attention. Landon, are you on the sim activity? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kaysen, if you're there and able, we're on 2.7 doing the sim. I think you're in the purple group, or no, you're in the blue group. Trey, you doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay, because I can't see your picture, but you should be on the sim, but it says you're not started. Evan, you're supposed to be working on the sim. It says you're not started.
I'm on the sim right now.
2.7 sim. All right.
I'm on the like the one with the man or whatever in the earth sim.
Okay, you're in the green group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that where I'm supposed to be? Or that's
Just my side said you weren't started, so I'm refreshing.
oh okay.
You're sure you're on it? Because it still says you're not started after I refreshed.
I'm on it right now.
2.7 sim activity?
Yeah, it's the second tab.
Okay. Okay, we have some of you guys that are done. So we'll pick on the blue group first. Let's see. Corbin's all done. So Corbin, let me get to your right page here. So Corbin, what do you think? I got some light bulbs to use in my model. Which part of the model should I use for light bulbs for?
I put the sun.
That would be a great idea. Okay, explain the answer. What did you put there? Did you use the sim or just?
I just wrote the light bulbs are bright so they can resemble the sun.
Okay. And what should the moon look like? Light on both sides, light on one side?
Dark or light on the side facing the sun and dark on the other side.
Okay. And let's go to question 5. I want to include a drawing that shows how light moves in my model. How should I draw the light?
Straight arrows coming from the sun.
Straight arrows coming from the sun. Okay, so in the journal on that part, let me see here. Let me refresh, see if somebody else in blue is done. Okay, Ethan, no, you're green. What's the blue? Corbin, I guess we're gonna have to stick with you. It looks like you're the only one done on the blue. Hey, how is the appearance of the moon different in view from Earth than it is in top view, Corbin? Does it change a lot more, or does it change a lot less, or sometimes appear to be fully illuminated but never appears to be in top? Corbin?
Is it question 1 on the second page?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. I put the appearance of the moon changes a lot less in view from Earth than it does in top view.
You should find out, number one, it should say that it should realize that it changes a lot moon in view from Earth than it does in top view. Because in top view, the moon's always going to just look half. In view from Earth, it's going to go through the phases.
Mm-hmm.
So I would think that one would be, it would change a lot more from view from Earth. How about that question? What determines the appearance of the moon in view from Earth?
Put the position of the moon around Earth.
Yes, position of the moon around the Earth. And then how long does it take the moon to go around the Earth?
About 1 month.
About 1 month is correct. And how often are we able to observe each moon phase?
Well, 1 or 2 times a month.
Yes, 1 or 2 times a month. And then how long does it take us to observe the same moon phase twice?
About 2 months.
How long does it take us to observe the same moon phase twice? Probably closer to like 1 month. Right? Because it goes through the entire phase. All right, let's look at page 3. Okay, so page 3, question number 1. Which student recorded a series of moon phases that could not have been observed in a single month?
Diana's.
Diana. And that looks like the last question. Okay. Good job, Corbin.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go to purple group. So purple people. The right activity. Okay, Eli. Let me get to the purple group, sorry. Where is Eli? Is Eli still here? There he is. Okay. Sorry, Eli.
I'm in green group.
What?
Yeah, I'm in green group, not purple.
You're not.
Yes, I am. Do you want me to share my screen with you?
No.
I'm in green
You're in
group.
green group. All right, yeah, you're right. Okay, so purple. Purple, 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 purple. Purple. Somebody done in purple? Nobody's done in purple? Oh, that can't be true. Okay, navigate done. Hands up, thumb up, thumb down, thumb down. You know, okay. Taylor? Where's Taylor? Oh, down. Hey, Trey? You done, Trey? Thumb up, thumb down. Okay, that's not an answer. All right, we'll come back to purple. Let's go green. Okay, so now, Eli, let's look at the green group. Move you guys out of the way so I can see. All right, Eli, when the view from Earth is in new moon phase, the view from the moon would be
Full.
full. Why can I? Ugh. Not select full. Okay. How about number 2, Eli? When the view from Earth is a full moon phase, the view from the moon would be what?
No.
It would be new. Okay. How about this one? When view from the Earth is a crescent moon phase, the view from the moon would be what?
Gibbous.
It would be, or gibbous. Okay, when it's quarter moon,
Quarter.
it would be a quarter. Okay, when the view from Earth is a gibbous moon, it would be a
Crescent.
Okay, let's go to the second page. We'll pick on somebody else here. Okay, Caden. Okay, when the astronaut took this photo of Earth, what moon phase would have been visible in the view from Earth? Oh, sorry, Caden, you're probably muted, aren't you? Okay.
Quarter moon.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it's not quarter moon, it's a gibbous. So what's opposite gibbous?
Crescent.
Yeah, let's go crescent moon.
Well, I couldn't tell. It's
Well, yeah, you could.
no.
Okay, how about number 2? Where was the sun in relation to the Earth when the astronaut took this photo?
The Earth. Well, it was in his gibbous phase.
Right, but your choices are the sun was above, below, to the left, to the right.
Oh, to the left.
Okay, let's pick on somebody else for the 3rd page. Braden, you're green.
I know this one.
Oh, good. Can't get to it. Hold on. Okay, what moon phase would an observer on the sun see on May 22nd? Yeah, Braden, you're answering. What?
Full moon.
A full moon, correct. And what phase would an observer on the sun see on May 22nd, 2025?
Full Earth.
Full Earth. Now, would the Earth and moon look different to observer on the sun on another date?
No.
Nope. And then just explanation. That's
Oh, actually, if there is a lunar eclipse,
okay.
it could look different.
Okay, so you could pick yes,
Well,
and
I'm
that
put
explanation,
no.
or you could just go with no. But you're right. Okay, let's go back to the purple group. Purple. Okay, Nevia, good? Yeah, all right. So let's go page 1. Okay, how is the appearance of the moon different in view from Earth than it is in top view?
I put the appearance of the moon changes a lot more in view from Earth than in the top view.
Correct. And what determines the appearance of the moon in view from Earth?
The position of the moon around Earth.
Position of the moon around Earth. And how long does it take the moon to go around the Earth?
A month.
About a month. And how often are we able to observe each moon phase?
I put once or twice a month.
Yep. And how long does it take us to observe the same moon phase twice?
A month.
Okay. It's like the same questions. Okay, page 2. Yes, Caden?
Can we leave now?
No.
We're not in purple group though.
You're in the class. Be quiet. You don't know how to leave.
I do want to leave though. You're cutting into my lunchtime.
Well, only a couple minutes.
I am on a very tight schedule, Mr. Richards.
Well, we just made it a little tighter. Okay, page 2. Nevi, let's just keep going with you. So which student or students recorded a series of moon phases that could not have been observed? Did I mute you again? Sorry. Okay, Nevia.
Okay. What was the question?
The first one on page 2. Which student?
I put Diana.
Diana. And that's the last one?
Yep.
Okay. So before you leave, let me stop share here for a second. The 2.6 assessment. Some of you guys didn't take 2.6 assessment. Kason, Nevia, Taylor, and Corbin. And if you took it and did bad on it, right, you either didn't take it or you took it and didn't do very good. So that, then go to ClassKick. I put a link on Google Classroom, I believe, to take the retest on it. And then, Grant, do I have your chapter 2 vocabulary?
I think I still need to send it to you.
Okay. And Ethan, chapter 2 vocab? Kason, Nevia, and Trey, chapter 2 vocab also.
I won't have mine done. I just have to send it to you.
Okay. And then that one ClassKick activity on phases of the moon and the eclipses. Some of you started but didn't submit it. Ethan, Trey, Corbin, Taylor, Caden, and Kason. So, Caden, I think you did page 1, but you didn't do page 2.
I did all of it. How do you submit it though?
I don't know. I thought it just submitted automatically.
Yeah, because I got everything done.
Okay, well, just check it again.
All right.
All right. And then Evan, you sent vocab for chapter 2, I believe. No. Yeah, chapter 2, but I didn't get your vocab for chapter 1. I don't believe. Evan?
Okay.
So do you agree that you didn't do that, or you think you did it?
I don't know. Probably not. I don't know.
Okay. All right. If you don't have any questions, you can go. But, I mean, keep up to date on your assignments. 2.7 is due today. Corbin?
Where do you find the ClassKick thing at?
Okay, let me look at your page. So on Google Classroom, if you go to the classwork tab, there's a thing called Phases of the Moon, and then there's a link. Maybe I should put. You see it?
Nope.
Are you on the classwork tab?
Yep.
Okay. I thought it was right at the top of your classwork tab.
Yeah, it is.
Let me show you my screen here.
Well, it just reset me, but I'll do it real quick.
It should be right there, Phases of the Moon. Oh, it's not.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
It's supposed to be ClassKick. Okay, Taylor, you have questions? Taylor?
On the assessment thing, whatever you call it, do you
Yeah.
want me to do both of the written responses?
No, you only have to do one. But
Okay.
if you don't get above a passing grade, then I would, or you're not happy with your grade, then do the ClassKick retest.
Okay.
Right?
Mr. Richards,
Yes,
I guess I didn't do this, but where do you find these answers?
in your brain.
In-
Umbra is the darker shadow. Penumbra is the lighter shadow.
Okay.
And the small thing that's circular is probably the moon.
Oh. Doesn't look like a moon. Okay. You said what's the darker shadow?
The umbra. And the penumbra is the lighter shadow. Okay, got that?